The 4th Singcha Wuyawon Festival 2022 at Singcha village of Kamjong district concluded today. The festival was started from July 15. Wuyawon is a specific variety of flower grown on the hilly slopes of Mount Wuyakachui. The blooming seasons of the flower is in the month of July and it covered the entire hillock of Mount Wuyakachui. The festival is held annually since 2017, being organized jointly by Singcha Katamnao Long and Village Authority of Singcha. The flower has been named after Mount Wuyakachui of Singcha village located under the jurisdictions of Kamjong district. Singcha village is a small hamlet nestling among the mountainous terrain along Imphal Kamjong Road under the jurisdictions of Kamjong district, and it is approximately 90 kilometers from Imphal. It is inhabited by the Tangkhul community. The village became a big buzz among nature lovers due to the presence of Wuyawon. Wuyawon bloom on Mount Wuyakachui, covering its entire hillock, and it is a rare sight of behold. One of the exciting features of the village is that the village remains foggy and cold all the year around. Some of the neighboring villages are Maku, Pusing, Kangkhui, Langkhe, and Yida. As the flower blooms in July, visitors may experience rains on any day. The place is poised to be the tourist hotspot in due time because of presence of rare flower and the mystical weather of the place. It is an ideal place especially for nature lovers and hope that the place get attentions of authority concerned for its conservations and protections, as nature often becomes victim of human exploitation. Speaking to ELITETV News, some visitors said this is indeed a paradise on earth. Some of them from the far-flung areas of Ukhrul, and even some bikers and actors from Imphal visited there and praised the beauty of Wuyawon and weather conditions of Mount Wuyakachui.
시 퍼져서 찐 하이브에 아이디 엑스프레스도 여부가 뭐로 했다래 생각한다. 야만 누가 했다래. 거기 레이디바 웨더 생각 웨더제 안 퍼져요. 다가 레이디바 로케이션제 거기다 저리 락 못한다. 풍 4 와숙 정다. 4.5 묵장 말이고 4.5 묵장 무시라 와는 락도 시절 간다. 아와 거왜 다래. ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯣ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯂꯦꯗꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯂꯦꯗꯤꯁ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯨꯝꯒꯗꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯍꯪꯉꯨ
ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯇꯨꯁꯟꯅꯒꯗ
ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯕꯥꯏꯀꯔ
ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯐꯖꯕꯁꯤ ꯋꯨꯌꯥꯋꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯕꯁꯤ
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯖꯩ
ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯏꯪ ꯇꯞꯄꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯅ first time.
It's very exciting. Like even though if you're tired, like once you reach this place, it's like the feeling is totally different.
Okay.
So like it's a very happy ending to be here. The festival, even though if after the festival, even though if they couldn't make it to the festival, they could still commit, like because the flower is going to be there till August, so it's a good time to visit, and it's a great place too. And like they can always come next year during the festival too.
Okay.
Yeah. That'll be all.
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯄꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯥ ꯋꯨꯌꯥꯋꯣꯟ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 15ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 13 ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 10 ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯛꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯁꯥꯔꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯩꯆꯤꯜ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯥꯡꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯃꯦꯁꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯐꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯆꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯪꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯗꯔꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯡ 3:35 ꯆꯪꯅ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯌꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯏꯟꯐꯦꯛ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯦꯔꯥꯗꯥꯏꯁ ꯖꯣꯟ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯅꯤ ꯖꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯝꯕ ꯏꯂꯤꯠ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯥ ꯋꯨꯌꯥꯋꯣꯟ